Imagine waking up one morning to your cell phone displaying the message, no service. You know that your bill has been paid and your carrier isn't down in your area, so you quickly figure out that this is only an issue with your phone. So you connect to the Wi-Fi and go to look at your emails to see if the carrier sent you a message, only to see a ton of emails from your banks and social media accounts saying that your password has been changed. Unfortunately, what you just experienced is a SIM swap attack. A SIM swap attack happens when someone maliciously transfers your phone number to a new SIM card that they can use in their own phone. Now, any of your calls or texts go to their phone instead of yours. The attacker already knows some information about you. Things like your home address, your email, answers to your security questions, maybe even a password, all of which were likely easy to find online or were leaked in a data breach. They use this information to call your mobile carrier to impersonate you, telling them that they want to transfer your phone number to a new SIM card. Because they can answer a few questions about your personal information, the carrier representative believes it's you and enables the transfer. But why would someone want to conduct a SIM swap attack? Well, there's a few different reasons a bad actor might want to attack you in this way. Of course, there's a possibility that it's someone you know, someone who intentionally wants to harm you by impersonating you, intercepting your calls and texts, or even gaining access to your social media accounts. But in the majority of SIM swap attacks, it's not personal at all. Instead, the attacker is looking for financial gain, and they do so by gaining access to your phone number so that they can intercept two-factor authentication codes sent via SMS from your bank accounts, log into said bank accounts, and steal your money. While Vonage can't prevent SIM swap attacks, what we can do is limit your system's exposure to these bad actors. Vonage's Identity Insights API provides a single API to access a broad range of attributes related to the carrier, subscriber, or device associated with the phone number. One of the many insights provided is SIM swap, which allows you to determine if the SIM card linked to a given phone number has recently changed. It's designed to mitigate the impact of an account takeover via SIM swap attack, giving you and your business the assurance that the phone number can be used for multiple use cases, such as the ability to proceed with SMS two-factor authentication or as a secure communications channel. For instance, a bank could use this insight to block password recovery on an account if they see that a recent SIM swap was performed. Blocking the password recovery would prevent a bad actor from accessing an unauthorized account and initiating a bank transfer. To get the SIM swap insight up and running for your business, you'll first need to create a Vonage account. To use the API in a production environment, you'll also need approval from mobile operators, which you'll be guided through in the Vonage dashboard. However, if you just want to test it out first, you can use the Playground environment to start sending API calls in minutes. No approval needed. Once you do, getting SIM swap insights is as simple as sending a request like this one. The most important parameters in this request being the phone number you want to check and the time period that a potential SIM swap may have happened. Here, we're checking if a SIM swap occurred in the past 240 hours. The API will return a response like the one shown here, providing data like the date of the last SIM swap, if the swap happened in the specified period, and the status of the request. A step-by-step guide to getting started with the Identity Insights API, and specifically the SIM swap insight, will be linked in the description below. To learn more about the Identity Insights API, subscribe to this YouTube channel, join our Slack community, and check out our blog at developer.vonage.com.